Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies out there this morning. You'll see those cloudy skies turn mostly sunny this afternoon and will become quite breezy for the late morning into the early afternoon hours today, as we'll have a fairly strong post-frontal northerly breeze across the region. That'll bring in some less humid weather, and we'll have really nice conditions overall, besides from the breezy conditions expected this afternoon. Looking at the current surface analysis, we have this cold front that's moving through the region this morning. It just crossed Wallops. Last half an hour or so, we had a few sprinkles out there with that front moving through. Not going to see any precipitation today. We'll have this area high pressure built in behind that cold front, and that's going to provide us with those less humid conditions. Looking at our current observation, as of 8 a.m. this morning, we had a few clouds at 700 feet, scattered deck at 1,200 feet, and an overcast deck at 2,000 feet. Winds were out of the north at 360 degrees at 12 knots, temperature 73 degrees, and relative humidity at 77%. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, let's see, we have this band of lower level cloud cover across the area. It's sliding down the peninsula with that cold front. And those clouds will continue to move to the south, and we'll have mostly sunny conditions developing. Our radar imagery this morning, just some few sprinkles or light showers across northern Pennsylvania this morning. Those sprinkles that occurred here at Wallops are too low for the radar to pick up, so not seeing those on the radar this morning. Overall, we should just remain dry, as I've mentioned. Here's our 3-kilometer NAM model radar reflectivity. You can see this afternoon. Here's noon, and then moving into 4 o'clock this afternoon into the evening hours. Not going to see anything on the radar, and just mostly sunny skies. And move into the overnight hours, we're going to see some low-level cloud cover start to move in the region around 2,000 to 3,000 feet. 3-kilometer NAM's trying to bring in a few light sprinkles with those lower-level clouds, but I don't really expect that to occur for Saturday. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board for precipitation and lightning. Chance we do have winds over 25 knots, about a 30% chance of that occurring, with north winds 11 to 16 knots, gusts to 24 knots, and continuing with those gusts to 24 knots during the afternoon hours. We'll have a high around 79 degrees today, a low of 54, and we'll actually see those temperatures rise during the overnight hours into the upper 50s with that low-level cloud cover coming in. We'll have a temperature around 58 degrees by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. We'll also have those northeasterly winds at 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 19 knots by tomorrow morning as well. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we should see VFR conditions today across the region after this low-level cloud cover gets out of here this morning. I do expect those VFR conditions after 10 local this morning. By tomorrow morning, we'll just see a broken deck at 3,000 feet and a broken deck at 25,000 feet. Our tides are about slightly above normal, seeing Ocean City running about 1 foot above normal, but around here about less than a half foot above normal. For Saturday, we'll have mostly cloudy, overcast skies and slightly breezy onshore flow, a high of 67 degrees. Green chart for Saturday night. Mostly cloudy, overcast, and mild, a low of 62. And for Sunday, well, mostly cloudy, overcast skies, slightly breezy, southerly winds, warmer temperatures, a high of 75, and we'll have a yellow for our winds on Sunday. Looking like we should see gusts around 22 to 23 knots on Sunday. We can't rule out we see something up in that 25 knot criteria. So going with a yellow for Sunday for our winds. That's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.